Hello traders, this is Dan Gibby, and in this Master Trader Weekly Trade Review, we're going to show you a great setup in addition to showing you how to read bearish price action and show you the difference between an initial breakdown and retracement and reversal at resistance. At Master Trader, we are technical based traders, meaning everything starts with a compelling pattern. These are just 9 flavors of them, and then we take this pattern and we put it in connection with the overall trends, support and resistance, multiple time frame alignment, is it showing relative strength or weakness, what are the broader markets doing, and internals, and then we simply enter and manage in between. So in this trade review, we're going to talk about a breakout. This is the technical setup. This is the correct initial breakout. Stocks, ETFs, anything, they're in uptrends, downtrends, and sideways trends. So a breakout could be a consolidation in an uptrend, or it could be a consolidation after a downtrend that's ready to break to an uptrend. We approach them the same in this respect. You want bullish consolidation at resistance and a breakout. You never want to buy from the low of the consolidation range to the top, because then the concept of greater than a 100% retracement suggests a pullback. Here's an alternative way. Let it break out, let it go. Let it retrace and reverse on these prior highs, which we label as minor support. The breakdown is the exact opposite. You want bearish consolidation at resistance, you want a price void, you can short the initial breakdown or retracement and reversal at minor resistance. Let's take a look at BHC here. Now, this is a daily chart. You see how clean it is. We use the 20, 50, and 200 MAs. We call them visual aids to short, intermediate, and longer term trends. You can see with all 3 of these, they're down. BHC is in a bearish downtrend on all time frames. This blocked area here, so it's in a trading range with declining 20 and 50. This would have been an acceptable initial breakdown. You have green bars being ignored, you have shallow retracement, so this is very bearish price action. Now here's an example of a retracement and reversal at resistance, at minor resistance. So that would have been a proper place to short BHC also. And then your trade management would dictate how to trail, whether it's bars, pivots, etc. Now this isn't the subject of today, but I just threw it in here. This would be a home run. We would cover over a 5 or 30-minute high. This is an exhaustion gap on volume called a gap and snap far from the 20. So then it continues. I'll show you on the next slide. Folks, come check us out in the Master Trader Live Green Trading Room. I hope you've been watching these trade reviews. We have charts of the week. We have a weekly 1-hour educational show on YouTube every Wednesday at noon. And we give great education for you all to get to know us. Spend $7, spend an entire trading week with us, with my partner Greg Capper and I, and we will interact with you during the week in real time. So same chart here. But this is the trade that we recommended to our advisory swing letters. So here is the bounce from the gap and snap. Discuss price action here. Still in a downtrend. It's consolidating into the declining 20-period moving average. And this could have been a potential bottoming pattern, in which case we would look for a downside shakeout in what we call a potent reversal, because you have a price void to the upside. But the price action in this rectangle is very bearish. So you had a deep retracement from this, and it couldn't bounce. This is telling us it can't retrace deeply. The green bars have no follow through. And then here we have a closing breakdown. It closed under all of this multi-week consolidation. So we gave to our subscribers short under the low of this bar. This is a closed trade. This is in the open and closed spreadsheet for our subscribers. And every one of our trade alerts show what we did, what the strategy is, the symbol, whether it's a stock or option trade, an initial stop loss with management in between that's sent live throughout the day in Telegram text. So then we shorted here. says it here, shorted at $9.03. The technical setup, breakdown at the 20 MA. And we just went into a very simple trail mode. This was a simple management. The concept here of a price void means you look to the left and there's no significant support there. And so it has room to fall. So that this, again, just like the one I showed you before, is a proper initial breakdown from a bearish consolidation in a bearish downtrend. 5 days open, just trailed it, 22.6% return. Come check us out if you want to learn how to interpret price action and trade for yourself. Go to mastertrader.com/education. We have a great little course for people starting. And we have, obviously, Greg Capra does all the technical analysis courses, and then I do the options, which we lay over based on our technical approach. This week we have an amazing special in the middle of the year here, which we've never done before. Use coupon code MTS $25, get 25% off any course. Hope that helped. As always, email Greg or me with any questions, and see you in the next trade review video.